Welcome to this detailed video about cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice that is beloved all around the world for its unique flavor and aroma, but it is much more than just a tasty ingredient in our favorite dishes. Cinnamon has a rich history that dates back thousands of years and has been used for its medicinal properties and as a valuable trade commodity. In this video, we will delve deeper into the origins of cinnamon, its health benefits, culinary uses, and some interesting facts that you may not have known about this fascinating spice. So, grab a cup of tea or coffee and settle in for a deep dive into the world of cinnamon. What is cinnamon? Cinnamon is a spice that is obtained from the inner bark of trees belonging to the Cinnamomum genus. There are two main types of cinnamon: Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon, and cassia cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon is native to Sri Lanka, while cassia cinnamon is grown in China and Indonesia. Both types of cinnamon have a similar flavor and aroma, but cassia cinnamon has higher levels of coumarin, a compound that can be harmful in large doses. History of cinnamon. Cinnamon has been used for thousands of years as a spice, medicine, and embalming agent. The ancient Egyptians used cinnamon in their embalming process, and it was highly valued by the Greeks and Romans. Cinnamon was also one of the main reasons for the Portuguese and Dutch to explore and colonize Ceylon, Sri Lanka, and Indonesia. Health benefits of cinnamon. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. It has been shown to improve blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of heart disease. Cinnamon also has antimicrobial properties that can help fight infections and improve oral health. Additionally, it has been shown to improve brain function and protect against neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Culinary uses of cinnamon. Cinnamon is a versatile spice that can be used in a variety of dishes. It is commonly used in sweet dishes such as cinnamon rolls, apple pie, and oatmeal. It can also be used in savory dishes, such as curries, stews, and marinades. Cinnamon is often used to flavor hot beverages such as tea, coffee, and hot chocolate. In some countries, cinnamon is also used in savory rice dishes, such as biryani. Interesting facts about cinnamon. Did you know that cinnamon was once more valuable than gold? Cinnamon has a rich history and many interesting facts associated with it. For example, in ancient times, cinnamon was so highly valued that it was considered a gift fit for kings and queens. Additionally, cinnamon was believed to have medicinal properties that could cure a range of ailments, from coughs and colds to indigestion and arthritis. Conclusion. Cinnamon is a spice that has been used for thousands of years for its health benefits and culinary uses. From its rich history to its many interesting facts, cinnamon is a fascinating spice that continues to be valued today. We hope you enjoyed learning about cinnamon and its many uses. If you enjoyed this content, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. Thank you for your support.